Greetings, do-it-yourselfers and emerging entrepreneurs. Do you enjoy rolling up your sleeves and fixing things, and maybe you're considering the thought of turning those skills and hard work into a money-making business? Well, you've come to the right place. My name is Greg Bull from StartingYourBusiness.com, where we break down and simplify the steps of starting a business. And in this video, I'm going to go over 5 popular and profitable business ideas that are a great match for someone with the skills and knowledge to fix things. So let's kick things off with our first industry, which is appliance repair. And imagine a business where you can wield your troubleshooting skills to revive wilting air conditioners or resurrect washing machines and get paid well to do so. This is a competitive industry, and there are over 4,500 competitors in the US, and on average, these businesses rake in around $3.5 billion each year. And when you consider that the average cost to fix a refrigerator is between $150 and $500, and parts are typically around 30% of the total bill, your profit can be $350 or so for just a few hours of work.
Wow.
And with profits like that, it won't take long to see your bank account grow. So what's the secret to a successful appliance repair business? My tip is that even though there is a lot of competition in this space, Consumer Reports did some research which showed only 58% of major appliances are successfully fixed on the first go. Can you name many other businesses where being right 40% of the time the first time was even considered average? Yeah, me neither. And this highlights the importance of doing the job right the first time. Then, by utilizing word-of-mouth marketing from the positive feedback of your happy customers and promoting how good you are on social media, you'll be ahead of the competition and have a thriving business in no time. And the great thing about this industry too is that if you have reliable transportation, all you need is a few basic tools, and for less than $1,000, you are up and running. The next industry that I'll cover is computer and office equipment repair. If you're into technology and have a knack for problem solving, launching a computer repair business could be a rewarding opportunity. Plus, you can finally start charging friends and family who keep bugging you to fix their stuff for free. There is a lot of competition in this space too, as there are around 4,800 competitors, but the combined annual revenue for these businesses top $4.5 billion. Pricing can vary, but on average, a computer repair business charges around $65 per hour for labor plus parts. Like appliance repair businesses, if you start a mobile service and have the transportation already, all you need is some basic tools and some software, which you may already have. If you plan to start out of a storefront, the costs are going to go up, of course, but starting mobile is a great way to start on the side or test the market to see if you can make this business work. And while a lot of people get started offering general repairs, the real money is to be made by finding a niche or specializing in things that the others aren't doing. Having explored the computer and office equipment repair industry, it's time to shift gears to a different yet equally promising industry, which is the dent repair sector. A paintless dent repair or PDR business is a cost-effective way to fix dents on vehicles from, say, hail or parking lot bumps. This business can be operated from a fixed location like your garage or as a mobile service. The price to fix a dent for a retail customer typically ranges from $75 to $200 and usually takes less than an hour or so to do the work. Many businesses will have contracts with dealerships, but while this volume is higher and provides a consistent income, you will make less per job than you would make working with the car owner directly. Now, there isn't an official number of how many PDR businesses are operating in the US, as they're categorized under the automotive collision repair industry, but with the cost of vehicles constantly increasing, demand should stay strong. The initial costs to start this business include dent repair tools and a vehicle, so if you already have reliable transportation, the most expensive piece of equipment would be a power dent puller, but even so, you can still get started in this business for under $1,000. It is important to note that mastering PDR requires some time and a significant amount of practice, but with commitment, anyone can make this a rewarding and profitable business. Next, have you ever looked at a tired old chair and thought, with a little love, that could be something special? If you have a knack for fixing things and a passion for breathing new life into well-loved items, starting a furniture repair business might just be the perfect path for you. The furniture repair industry is our 4th business to start for under $1,000, though it is probably the most expensive of the 5. You will need a vehicle large enough to transport furniture and a shop or garage to work out of. And if you don't already have some of the woodworking tools, in order to stay under budget, the tools will likely need to be used, or you have to start off small and not be able to fix every type of furniture right away. And that's okay, it can still be done. This is a bustling industry with around 21,000 companies bringing in a reported $1.7 billion annually. What's really nice about a furniture repair business is that in addition to fixing up furniture for customers, You can also flip furniture that you repair for a profit, and furniture flipping can be a great way to start out, as you will have the opportunity to hone your skills and not have the added pressure of customer deadlines. It's important to note that the majority of customers for this type of business are typically going to be from households earning more than $100,000 a year, as they're typically more likely to have furniture that they care about and they're willing to pay to get it fixed. So my tip for you is, before starting this type of business, do your research to see that there are a large enough number of high-earning households within a short distance of where you're located. Our last industry leads us to the handyman industry, and at some point, every property is going to need repairs, upkeep, or renovations. So in addition to the fact that just about everyone could be your customer, a handyman business lends itself to a lot of flexibility if desired. Like, for instance, you might want to specialize in weekend-only services, or as a jack of all trades, or you could offer niche services like tile installation or TV mounting. Handyman services can cater to everything from minor tasks to major projects, providing an economical solution when the specialists aren't needed or if the bigger companies aren't accessible. Clients usually range from homeowners, landlords, or property managers, with some offering regular contracts for continuous maintenance. The hourly rate for a handyman tends to range between $50 to $100 in most areas, with most charging around between $60 to $65. This industry generates around $5 billion annually, and while the official tally of businesses in the U.S. shows a little over 90,000, I would say there are probably a lot more, as I know there's many that work under the table. A handyman service can be started with a vehicle and some basic tools for under $1,000, but should the business specialize, adding better tools to the toolbox will increase the cost of this business. Running a successful handyman service requires being able to fix common household items, but you can really set yourself apart from the competition just by being reliable and providing good customer service. And this recipe will make sure you won't have any trouble staying busy. So there you have it, a quick run through of 5 popular business ideas that allow you to put your repair skills to work while keeping your startup budget under $1,000. Be it launching an appliance repair business or starting a handyman service, if you have the technical skills to fix things right, there's a profitable venture out there that aligns with your interests. I hope this video has your wheels turning and you are ready to take your skills and turn them into a profitable business. If you're interested in going in for a deeper dive into any of these business ideas or explore even more opportunities, make sure you check out startingyourbusiness.com, where I have detailed industry reports for over 300 types of businesses. Also, let me know if you have any questions, or let me know what type of business you plan to start in the comments. I'll provide any answers, tips, or extra resources to help you stay on the right path. And if you found this content beneficial, don't forget to hit the like button, and also feel free to subscribe to our channel for more content like this and to stay updated with tips on starting a business. So until next time, keep those creative gears spinning, and best of luck with your entrepreneurial pursuits.